Let us look at another example of time and work. Ashish can do a piece of work in 4 days. Bharat is 50% more efficient than Ashish. How long would Bharat alone take to finish the work? Now let's understand, what does this term 50% more efficient mean? So efficiency in this term can be generally defined as output by some kind of input. So you are having something which is as an input, and how much are you able to produce as part of the process. So basically input, then you have a process, and then you have output. So efficiency is how much are you able to produce per unit of input. So in this term, it will be efficiency is how much work are you able to do per unit of time. So it can be how much work are you able to produce per day. So Bharat is 50% more efficient than Ashish. What that means is the work that Bharat can do is 50% more than Ashish per day. So first we have to find out how much work can Ashish do in a day. So Ashish can complete one piece of work in 4 days. So one piece of work he can complete in 4 days. So how much work can he do in 1 day? So cross multiplication. So 4x is equal to 1, or x is equal to 1 by 4. So Ashish can do 1 by 4th of the work in a day. So Ashish 1 day work is equal to 1 by 4. And Bharat can do 50% more work than what Ashish can do. So Bharat's 1 day work is equal to, so if this is 100, Bharat is doing 150 of this 100. So what that means is 150 divided by 100 multiplied by 1 by 4. So this 0 gets cancelled with this 0. 15 by 10. So 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So this becomes 3 1s are 3 divided by 4 2s are 8. So Bharat's 1 day work is 3 by 8th. Now we have to find out how much time will Bharat take to complete the whole work. So again the same concept here. So in 4 days Ashish was able to do the whole amount of work. So in 1 day, how much was he able to do? Similarly here, in 1 day Ashish can do 3 by 8th of the work. So in how many days will he do the entire work, which can be considered as 1? So again cross multiplication. So 3 by 8 times x is equal to 1 multiplied by 1, which is 1, or x is equal to 8 by 3. So Bharat can do the entire work in 8 by 3 days, or in other terms This can also be written as 3 twos are 6. So 2 and then 2 carry over. So 2 by 3 days. So Bharat can do the work in 2 by 3 days. Now let's again look at this problem. So Ashish can do a piece of work in 4 days and Bharat is 50% more efficient. Now if we did not consider this definition of efficiency, which is work per day, right? And if we mistake this efficient work to be in terms of days. So if we say, okay, Ashish can do a piece of work in 4 days, Bharat is 50% more efficient. So he'll take less amount of days. So he'll complete the work in 2 days. Then it'll be wrong, because the efficiency or the 50% more efficiency is in terms of work per day. Now just for understanding, let's assume that Bharat is 100% more efficient. Now let's try to find out how long would Bharat alone take to finish this work. So Ashish can do a piece of work in 4 days. So 1 day's worth of work is 1 by 4, right? So Ashish, 1 day work is 1 by 4. Bharat is 100% more efficient. So what Ashish can do in 1 day, Bharat can do twice more in that same day. So he is 200 divided by 100. Now this 2 zeros get cancelled. This is 1, this is 2. So Bharat's 1 day work is 1 by 2. And then since we have to find out how many days he'll take, we just have to reverse this. So Bharat will then take 2 days to finish the entire work. So here this 2 days is half of this 4 day which Ashish is taking. So Bharat being 100% more efficient means that he will complete the work in half number of days as Ashish.